My dear friends, how are you? How is life going on? My heartful greetings and respectable regards to all of you. Let us share some thoughts on the title Get Connected. Yes, my dear friends, the term connection plays a very important role in our life. So, everything in the nature are interconnected. We are all connected to the nature. We are all connected to each other. We are all connected to ourselves. Therefore, if the connection between two things is proper and real, then always we feel happy. Due to the lack of improper connection between souls of a human being, we feel sometimes dejected. This is the only cause. Now, at present, in our social scenario, we people are only contacting each other. There are more of social contact than social connection. Therefore, but social contact never gives real happiness. Only when connection between soul is proper, then only real happiness comes. Therefore, now we are going to have a deep thought on this particular social connection. Yes, we are connected to everything by some means or other. Society, friendship, and love result from connections only. Connections are of three types: physical, mental, and self connection. Physical, visible connection is the real and strong connection. It results from physical closeness. In physical connection, the bond is very strong. However, it has both attractive and repulsive sides. If the connection is based on love, compassion, kindness, and understanding, or similar positive triads, the connection becomes strong. It implies some kind of order. However, say, kind of order by nature is fragile. There is always a fear that the order might be lost. Sometimes a slight misunderstanding can disturb the order. If loved ones are far away, there is a mental connection. We always think about them. Mental connection arises due to physical isolation. Various societal factors contribute to this physical isolation, as in social distancing. When children grow, they distance themselves from parents due to higher studies, jobs, marriage, career, and ambition. Despite physical separation, there is always a mental connection. Advances in technology reduce the anxieties of a mental connection. We can now connect with our loved ones by various means of communication, and it is instantaneous. In a true sense, we are never isolated. Even in social distancing and physical isolation, there is effective connection made possible by technology. In the present crisis, due to the COVID-19 pandemic, social distancing is advised, so everyone is following it. Are you following it? Yes. Despite the distance, we are connected via technology, education, business, financial deals, banking, medicine, and of course, family and friends. In today's world, isolation is virtually impossible. Earlier, social functions were parts of our entertainment and well-being. Now, we entertain ourselves at home. Technology has facilitated this aspect tremendously. Beyond these mundane connections is another higher one, that is spiritual connection. My dear friends, this spiritual connection is only the real strong connection which brings the real happiness. It is connection to the self. Self connection is possible in total isolation, in solitude, far from the madding crowd. Once this connection is achieved, all other connections become meaningless. With this kind of connection, a person becomes divine. It is connected to self-knowledge. Throughout the Bhagavad Gita, one finds references to this self-knowledge, self-connection. The Bhagavad Gita, what it says, it talks about both the material world and the spirit, that is the soul. It also shows the way how one can be close to the spiritual world even in a material environment. The ways are action without desire for fruits, steadfastness in prescribed duties, and adhering to goodness in all aspects of life. The later aspect is called the sattvic state. Other traits are constant yearning for knowledge, faith on and realization of an infinite, invisible power that is continuous and discrete, larger than the largest and smaller than the smallest, that is God, and the eternity of the beginning and its end. In physics itself, we might have studied self-energy of a particle describes its interaction with the environment. Have you remember? Yes. Similarly, in real life too, everybody possesses self-energy. As a result of our spiritual and material connections, we had a self-energy within us. Just as self-energy in physics describes the mass and energy of a particle, self-energy in humans describes strength and flexibility. Therefore, my dear friends, we have a proper connected between souls, between you and between we and our parents, between husband and wife, between the parents and children, between ourselves and nature, between our loved ones, who whatever may be their distance, doesn't matter. If you start connecting to them through their soul, you can feel their nearness. You can feel their nearness. What else is required further? Okay, let us stop up to this. வாழ்க வளமுடன், நல்ல எண்ணங்களுடன் வாழ்வோம், நலமுடன் வாழ்வோம், இனிய சொற்களையே பேசுவோம், எப்போதும் இன்புற்றிருப்போம். அன்புடன் சுகுமார்.